Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of India's proudest moments in defense technology, the successful launch of the Akash missile and the precise destruction of its target. The Akash is a medium-range surface-to-air missile developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO). In this recent test, it showcased its advanced capabilities by intercepting and destroying a high-speed aerial target with pinpoint accuracy. What makes Akash special? It can neutralize multiple threats simultaneously, from enemy fighter jets to drones, all while being launched from both static and mobile platforms. With a range of up to 25 kilometers and speeds reaching Mach 2.5, it's a game changer in modern warfare. This successful launch proves not just technological strength, but India's growing self-reliance in defense manufacturing under the Make in India initiative. With its all-weather capabilities and quick deployment time, the Akash missile strengthens India's air defense system like never before. Stay tuned for more updates on India's defense achievements and cutting-edge military tech. Don't forget to like, share,